blame it all on me. Kitty, come back. You can blame it. Oh my God, there you are. Oh.
5 years that I lost.
Oh, did I lose you?
Count the first 5 years. Really? Yep. But that's okay. Because all the people who have been there 20 years seem to be getting laid off. Oh. So 15 is better than 20. They seem to be trying to get rid of people.
So they are laying off.
Constantly, yeah. Just like Sun's do. 10% every year.
Washington's new company is reorganizing the layoff at the end of January.
Hmm?
So she's hoping her old boss, remember from Sun, that went to Oracle.
Cat scared the shit out of me. What's that?
Oracle or Cement?
Well, wait a minute. He didn't go to Oracle. He was on Sun. He went to Cement.
Oh,
So they've been kind of like peers. I don't know. I don't think he's been a vice president. I think he's been a director. I'm not sure about that. But the reorg, she's hoping they will give him a promotion and then she will work for him again, like she did at Sun.
She wants to make it okay.
She likes to work with him well. She seems to be doing okay. She's busy. 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, it's crazy.
The time difference. And she's hoping they'll just make him west. So it would be California, Nevada, Arizona, and not Boston or Chicago. But next week she is going to Boston or Texas. She's going to be gone the whole week. And her nanny's having a car problem, and I don't know what's going on with the nanny because she didn't have it worked on all this week. She could have had it worked on last week and this week, but she took it into May and she's missing. So you know they always have to order. And she doesn't know if it'll be ready tomorrow or Monday.
But it's Monday, that's a problem.
Yeah, she's going out of town. Well, Bob will have to do it. Bob will have to just, well, they can both stay till 6. That's what's nice about this new school. They have till 6, and they have a bus that will pick up Kayla.
Oh, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, you can have it.
Kayla can
Nope.
at her school.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, so cute.
But now you can
So Bob can go pick them up both. Both of them up. You remember those days? I remember that time that I was luckily dressed and the phone rings and you say, Mom, can you go pick up Josh because he's sick at the daycare? And I said, Jerry, how can I make it? And you said, well, I can't make it. Ollie can't make it. You have to do it. And so I got in my car and I don't know, I was going pretty fast, but I actually made it to the daycare and then to the doctor. And they,
That is amazing.
Holly said on Facebook she's known you for 20 years.
True.
So she was 20? I thought she was like 18 or something.
No, You're going back Saturday?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not raining.
Johnny had slow. So he was 2 hours from Leslie's house to the 5. And then after that, and then they ate there. I don't know what's there. They eat.
There's a secret diner.
Deli or something. We've never seen anything.
There's Casa de Fruta somewhere around there.
No, but that's not it. It's at 5.
Hmm.
Is it a gas station?
Yes. We've gotten gas there.
And they ate, and so that takes them a while. And then it was like 8 hours on the road.
Why do you keep moving over there? Come get it. Come get it.
And Island stays by himself. On his computer, and asleep. He likes chili, so he buys cans of chili. He opens it up, puts the microwave.
Come here, kitty.
Chicken star soup.
Come on, kitty. Come over here. Look. Look.
Oh, Island in LA.
Come on.
Yeah, she stayed with us, but he went back. She has all her equipment with her, and he doesn't.
He has desktop. I have laptop.
Yeah, desktops are a thing of the past. Only laptops now.
They have much more storage space though, because they're larger, and you can have 2 things.
We got rid of our desktops.
Oh.
All gone.
All right. Bye bye.